Good morning, traders. Michael Sabo here with RJO Futures on Friday the 13th. Bringing you some opening commentary here in the energy markets. Let's get right down to it. Oil, much firmer here today. August oil is trading at 87.28. We're up about $1.20. Brent also firmer, 102.49. That's up about 137. Give me a buzz. You want to talk about that spread, WTI Brent spread. Lots of opportunity there. I can go into more detail with you on that, how you can take advantage of that. Looking at the nat gas right now, 287.80. So we're kind of just holding right underneath that 290 area. Not a big day here. We're up about four. Right now, about 4 to 5 cents there. RBOB sitting around 281.89, up about $1.25 with the heat, making an impressive move here, up almost 2.5 cents at around 279.75-ish area. So certainly we're seeing a nice broad rally here today, getting right into the fundamentals of it here. I mean, take a look at that dollar. I mentioned that yesterday's post about that dollar starting to get a little firmer, and now we're seeing a downswing in that dollar here. So it's really helping give a boost here to a lot of commodities, certainly energies, helping quite a bit. We've got a really good macro tone out there so far coming in this morning. The overnight markets, Asian, European markets, on pretty much solid ground. So that's kind of lending overall support here as well. And of course, look at the equities market here today, seeing a nice move here to the upside. So that's certainly adding support there. Also, you've got a situation there in the North Sea. We're seeing some tighter supply picture, as well as the U.S. really tightening sanctions there against Iran. So kind of keeping a close eye on that, but that's certainly lending some support to the market. We hit a new 6-day high here today in crude, so certainly I think from some of the short traders getting squeezed here a little bit. We went through a period of a consolidation there in the market. That market was just kind of range bound for several sessions, and now it's getting the breakout. Also, Chinese GDP, I mentioned that yesterday. We saw that came out basically in line with about expectations, but the idea there is that it is a little bit weaker overall, although in line with expectations. But what traders are anticipating is this gives more reason to see additional stimulus dollars possibly coming into the market there, which should then in turn be bullish for commodities. The technical side of things, as I mentioned, we're breaking out here. It's a 6-day high here in the market, so looking really good. We did hit a high so far today of around 87.33. I've been mentioning this here for a little while, looking for that 88 to 92 target. So far, things look really on track, possibly early next week that we could be somewhere in that middle range here, maybe around the $90 a barrel area. Yesterday's low, the 84.21 held. As you know, I've been looking for that support down around that 84. So far, holding, looking really good. If we see close here today on the firmer side of the market, give me a call. I could discuss with you new support levels, especially here for aggressive traders on the long side of the market. We could discuss that in a little bit more detail. Give me a call on the trade desk. The number there is 1-800-367-7290. If you'd like to get added to the DOE distribution list that I send out, the expectations as well as the actual numbers, shoot me an email, call me on the trade desk. More than happy to get you in tune with that, as well as some other industry reports that are pretty important for energy traders. So again, give me a call on the desk, and of course remember that futures trading does involve a substantial amount of risk, and it may not be suitable for all investors. Good luck and good trading.